This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk all about WordPress, and today we are gonna see a plugin that will help you replace any media file easily and effectively. So this plugin is called Enable Media Replace by ShortPixel. So this plugin helps you to remove the hassle of uploading an image on your media in WordPress, and after that changing that media file on your blog or anywhere in your website. So let's see how we can do it. So for that, first we have to install this plugin. So we will go to our dashboard, and after that in plugin we will search for this plugin in add new option. Enable media. After that, click on this install now button, and then click on activate. So it's very easy to use plugin. You do not have to do any settings or configure anything in it. You can just simply go to your media, and like on this image, if I click on it, I will see a option upload a new file, replace media option. So if I click on this upload a new file button, it will ask me to choose a file. So let's choose a new file to replace this image. Any image, random image I am choosing right now. So this is the image I have chosen. Now it gives you two options. Just replace the file. So this will not change the name of the file, like device simplified croptopblue.jpg. This name will remain same even after the image is changed. And the other option allows you to change the name of the file that you have uploaded right now, and all the links that are directed to that file will be directed to this new file name. So you can do it either way. And here on date option, you can replace the date with current date or keep the date as you like. So just click on upload, and after uploading you will see the permalink of this image, and you can see the image has been changed on your website also. So the image has been changed. Let's change the another image. For that we will go back to media, and here let's change this image. So you can just click on upload a new file, and this time we will change the name. Let's choose this one, and now I'll choose this option, replace the file, use a new file name, and upload all links. So after clicking on upload, you will see that the attachment ID is changed. And now if I go to my shop page, the product image is changed also. So before that, another image was displayed here, but after changing the media, this image is displayed. So this is how simply you can change the media on your website. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to Educate WordPress.